Welcome back everyone. I am Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, we have a breaking news for you. The news is that The Undertaker possibly has been retired from WWE during the final chapter in the Last Ride documentary series. The Undertaker revealed that he had no desire to get back into the ring following his Boneyard match against AJ Styles. Friends, even WWE also confirmed this news via their Twitter account. Friends, the last time WWE mentioned the tag hashtag Thank You Taker after the match against Roman Reigns, which happened in WrestleMania 33, because that match was the last match of Undertaker. Undertaker already had talked to Vince McMahon that the match against Roman Reigns is my last match in WWE. But after the match, Undertaker realized that the match didn't go as he expected. Undertaker believes that the way he wanted to end his own career in the match against Roman Reigns was not go as he expected. That's why he came back from retirement. In the Last Ride documentary chapter 5, Undertaker said that the Boneyard match against AJ Styles at WrestleMania 36 was exactly went as he was expecting for his retirement match. Now he has no any desire to come back in WWE ring. He thinks that the Boneyard match against AJ Styles at WrestleMania 36 was his last match. Friends, hear the statement that Undertaker said during the Last Ride chapter 5. He said that I believe I am at place now post Boneyard, which was a hilarious battle against one of the best in the business. Here you are climbing on your motorcycle and taking off. There was a lot of thought and lot of emotion. One of those being, are you happy enough with that? It was a powerful moment. You don't necessarily always get those. If there was ever a perfect ending to a career, that right there was it. If Vince McMahon was in a pinch, would I come back? I guess time would only there tell. In case of emergency break glass, you pull out the Undertaker. I would consider it. At this point in my career, I have no desire to get back in the ring. Friends, it was rumored that Undertaker can wrestle one more match against the iconic Sting or Shane McMahon inside Hell in a Cell, but after coming this statement, possibility has been reduced. But this is WWE, never say never. Even Undertaker also mentioned in an interview when a reporter asked Undertaker about the match of Sting vs Undertaker, he said never say never. So we can still expect one more match of Undertaker in WWE. So friends, this is all about from this video. Please mention in the comment box that what your expression came out after listening this news. And for more news and latest update, you can also visit on my website. My website name is wrestlingbattle.com. You can get every latest news. Either it will be of pro wrestling or UFC. You can get all the news from there. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Bye bye everyone.